Step into timeless elegance with this beautifully renovated Victorian farmhouse nestled on 54 rolling hills in Tennessee. This historic home features intricate trim details, original hardwood floors, and spacious rooms. The property includes a barn with electricity and water, two large horse paddocks, and a fully fenced area. Additional amenities include a storage building and a serene natural setting with a babbling creek, open fields, and stunning stargazing opportunities. This turnkey property is ready for you to create lasting memories. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.